Hello student. So now we are going to discuss some maths from exercise 10.2. Okay. So in exercise 10.2, using the theorem, last class we have discussed the using the theorem that the equal chords subtend equal angle at the center of the circle, and also if angles are equal subtend at the center of the circle, then the chords are equal. So using these two theorem we are going to do this maths. So first maths is given what? Recall that two circles are congruent if they have the same radii. Prove that the equal chords of congruent circles subtend equal angle at their center. That means two circles are congruent. Consider two circles. Here it is one circle, and here it is one circle. Okay, we have to consider these two congruent circles. Suppose these one have O center and these one have O dash center. Okay, now consider that two chord AB and this is the chord CD. Okay, then what is say? Two circle congruent if they have same radii, because the equal chords of congruent circles subtend equal angle at the center. So angle at the center, that means you have to join this radius OA and OB, similarly OC and OD. You have to join these two radius. Okay, so now we are asked to prove what? The radii are equal. That means that if the circles are congruent, that means you know the congruency, that all the parts of the one figure is equal with the another figure. Then this is the main criteria for the congruency of two figure. Okay, now these two circles are congruent, therefore these two circle radius will be equal. So you can say that what? OA equal to O dash C and also OB equal to O dash D. Why this is equal? Because these are the part of congruent circle. Then AB equal to CD given, as AB equal to CD also given. So you can say that these two triangle AOB and triangle COD are congruent by the criteria of side rule. Okay, so we have to do that like that. See how to do it. OA equal to O dash C. You have to write radii of congruent circle. You have to write the radii of congruent circle. Okay, then you have to write again one. OB equal to O dash D. OB equal to O dash D. The criteria is same. Therefore, you have to write do or same. Okay. Then AB equal to CD, which is given. We have given that what? AB equal to CD. Therefore, you can say what? Triangle AOB congruent to triangle CO dash D. You can say what? The triangle AOB is congruent to triangle CO dash D, and this is because of what? Side rule. Because all these three sides of this triangle is equal with that another triangle CO dash D. Okay, as this is two are equal according to the rule of side rule, so you can say what? The triangle angle AOB is equal to angle CO dash D. Why these two are equal? These two angle will become equal. Why? Because they are the corresponding part of these two congruent triangle. You have learned about this in previous chapter. So you have to write as what? CP. Okay, and we are asked to prove this only. So which is our proof. So first we have to find what? There we have to take radius, and we have to show that these two triangles are congruent. As these two triangles are congruent, so now their corresponding part will be also equal. So AOB equal to CO dash D, which we are asked to prove. Okay. Okay. So in the next maths, we are asked what? Prove that if the chord of a congruent circle subtend equal angle at their center, then the chords are equal. In the last maths, we have given that the chords are equal. It is already mentioned. But here, the chords are not equal. We have to prove that the chords are equal. Okay. So same diagram, two circles you have to draw. This one is O and this one is O dash. This one is O and this one is O dash. Okay, there are two circles. So chords are considering AB, and here we are considering chord CD. Now join the chord by their radius OA, OB, and OB, O dash B, and OD. Okay, we are joining this. Now same way we are getting this triangle. Now we have to show that same way that these two triangles are congruent, but here the criteria will be different. What the different will be criteria? First, OA equal to O dash C, because radii of the two congruent circle, so these two are equal. OB equal to O dash D, because also the radius of the two congruent triangle, sorry, two congruent circle, so these two are equal. And lastly you can say one angle, this one angle AOB, angle AOB. In this question we have given that these two angles are equal, that means angle AOB and angle CO dash D, these two are equal. Why these two are equal in this match? Because this is given. Last match we proved that. Now in this match it is given that these two are equal. So as these two are equal, so therefore you can say what? That these two triangles are congruent. As these two triangles are congruent, so you can say what? That AB equal to CD by the criteria of CPCT. That means corresponding part of congruence triangle. So how to write this? See, in triangle AOB and triangle CO dash D. We are considering two triangles AOB and triangle CO dash D. Okay. Now see, OA equal to O dash C, radii of congruent circle, radii of congruent circle. Why this is equal? Because radii of congruent circle. Then OB equal to OD, O dash D. The condition is same. And next we have given angle AOB equal to angle CO dash D, which is given. Okay, this is given. Therefore you can say what? Triangle AOB is congruent to triangle CO dash D. This congruent to triangle CO dash D, and this is by what? Side angle side rule. This is by what? By the condition of side angle side rule. As these two are congruent, so you can say what? AB equal to CD. Why these two are equal? Because these are the corresponding parts of congruent triangle. I am not going to write this all the sentence. Simply you can write CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Okay, and we are asked to prove this. So hence prove. We have proved this. Okay. So these two maths only given in this exercise 10.2. So in our next class we will discuss exercise 10.3, also the theorem related to the exercise 10.3. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, thank you.